guys, what is going on, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nika and this is the Phases of Nika. If you're new here, hello and welcome. So as you can see from the title of today's video, we have a Coach unboxing, and while there are some videos of this particular bag that I'm going to unbox, I haven't seen any reviews or any pictures as far as what I've seen of this bag in this particular style. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see this together. I'm so excited to see it in person and see what it looks like. I also picked up a card holder that I'm gonna show you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Okay, so here is the box that the item came in, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. So I went ahead and opened up the box, and it didn't come in like one of those Coach boxes because this did come from the Coach outlet. However, it is a retail bag. And I'm happy that it came in a box because if you've ever bought anything from the Coach outlet, sometimes they don't give you a box, which is like super annoying, especially just period. Whenever you just order a handbag, it's like, can I get a box? Can I get a box? Like, so my handbag won't get smushed. Okay guys, so I thought I was recording, but my camera stopped in the middle and I didn't even realize it. So everything's already unboxed, unwrapped, and everything. So I'm gonna start by showing you guys the card holder that I got first. So this is the card holder. This is a retail card holder, and it's just this really gorgeous Glovetanned leather card holder with the flower detailing on it, and then it has like the Coach emblem on there in the gunmetal hardware. It's really pretty. And then in here it is leather lined, and then it has 3 pockets on the front, 3 pockets on the back, so you can do 6 cards total. But you can also probably stack cards because it's pretty roomy, and then the slits are fabric lined. So really nice, pretty card holder. Here are the details for the card holder. Oh, okay guys, now I'm going to show you the bag in its entirety. And here it is. It is the Coach Swagger bag with the heart detailing. This is the Swagger 27 in the color Beechwood. So very pretty bag. It is Glovetanned leather. So it is just, oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at the heart detailing on the sides. Here those are. And then on the other side, I love this little studded one right here. And then this little detailing right here, it's just for show. So you can undo it. And then this one just kind of slides down right there. This one doesn't do anything. And then it looks like it continues all the way in the back. But this is actually a slip pocket, which is really cool. And then it's just in the shiny gunmetal hardware. I really like this metal tag right here, and then it just has the standard leather tab. And here is the interior of the bag. It just looks like that. Has a, whoops, if you guys can see, has a button pocket here, then a zip pocket in the back. Nice brown color. And let's look at this again. Oh, also has like little hearts on the side. That is so cute. And then at the bottom it just says that it is that's upside down, huh? And on the bottom it just says that it is genuine Glovetanned leather. Then let's look at the detailing again. The straps. It does have a little bit of an indentation from like the straps from how they stored it, but that's okay. And then here is the tag. Oops, with all the details. There's the tag with the details on there for you if you're interested in that. And yes, so pretty guys. Feels amazing. I really like it. Loving the hardware that's on it. And that's just what it looks like. Like I said, it does have a little bit of indentation, but that'll come out. I'm going to stuff it. I don't think I'm going to be sending it back because, like I said, I just know it's just from the handles resting on the leather. And by the looks of it, that looks like that will come out with some stuffing. I really love the nude color of this bag as well. Then has the longer shoulder strap that is adjustable right here. And so you can just adjust it to your liking. Very nice bag. Very cute. Loving the heart detail. Get in closer to this detailing of these hearts, because if you can see, like, this one has like a little glitter detail on there, then the stud detail, another one with some glitter detailing, and then this one right here has some glitter glazing. So cute. Such a nice and unique touch. Turn to the other side and show you guys the other heart detailing. It's on there. Super cute. Nice. Very nice detailing. You guys can see that. So pretty. Well guys, that's it for this unboxing video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you should definitely be following me on Instagram at the Phases of Nika. Well guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.